Good morning, welcome to your Monday, August 14th, 10 a.m. weather briefing. Yesterday across the region we had a rather seasonable day with temperatures in the mid-80s. Our nation's capital saw the warmest temperature at 86 degrees. Here at Wallops we were just behind with a high of 85 degrees. Rather seasonable night across the region yesterday as well. Baltimore was the coolest at 63 degrees. Here at Wallops we only got down to a low of 70 degrees. Some of our stations off to the south in the Tidewater region reporting some light precipitation yesterday into early this morning. Newport News seeing the most rainfall at 0.03 of an inch. Langley and Norfolk seeing just over 1/100 of an inch. Here at Wallops we are mostly cloudy with a temperature of 77 degrees as of 9 a.m. The rest of the region seeing similar conditions with mostly cloudy to cloudy skies. Our upper air sounding from this morning showing an easterly wind at the 1,000-foot level at 8 knots, and then increasing out of a west to southwesterly direction as we go up through the atmosphere, where we see our wind max right now at the 20 and 25,000-foot levels at 35 knots. Our freezing level this morning was at 14,500 feet. So look at our surface analysis. We have a stalled frontal boundary over North Carolina, and that'll be the driver of our weather pattern over the next day and a half, as this system will actually look to push a little bit northward later this afternoon into this evening, while an upper level trough digs over the region, producing some weak areas of low pressure over the frontal boundary, possibly providing us with some light scattered showers beginning later this evening during the overnight hours into tomorrow. And as you can see on the surface analysis as well, we have tropical storm Gert churning well off the southeastern coast, and this system is expected to remain well off the eastern coast and begin to make its turn eastward today, remain well out to sea and well west of Bermuda as well. So no operational concerns as far as tropical storm Gert is concerned. So we zoom in over the local area. Again, temperatures warming into the mid to upper 70s this morning with plenty of cloud cover associated with that stalled frontal boundary, as well as the short wave that will be digging over the area. We do have some isolated showers that have begun to develop over the central portions of Virginia, associated with a weak short wave moving through the area currently. So made some slight changes to the forecast compared to the 8:15 briefing this morning, as we do have just a slight chance of an isolated shower after the noontime hour, but it will be fairly light if it does occur. As we look at the midday planner, again, that frontal boundary on the GFS forecast map just showing to a little bit jog northward. I think it's a little bit farther north than what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to stay more in the North Carolina area this afternoon and then really begin to push northward this evening. As we look at the Monday night planner, again, we'll have a chance for some scattered showers developing after 3 a.m., which is a slight chance of a thunderstorm during the overnight hours, and those rain chances will continue into tomorrow morning. The thunderstorm chances look to diminish, and then we'll have chances for scattered showers as we go throughout the day tomorrow, with this frontal boundary remaining just over the local area. And then it'll begin to push farther south Tuesday night into Wednesday, and we'll see our rain chances diminish, and cloud cover will begin to scour out as well. So as we look at the next 24 hours, again, we're green for the next several hours, except we do have just a slight chance after the noontime hour of an isolated shower possibly entering the area, and that'll continue through about 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll get up to a high of around 81 degrees today, and then our cloud cover will be increasing as we go into the later portion of this evening, and then we'll have better chances for rain showers after 3 a.m. Tonight. We'll get down to a low of 72 degrees, and then also a possibility of having some ceilings dropping below the 500-foot level, just some patchy fog and also some light scattered showers through the area. And that'll continue into the daybreak time frame tomorrow and post 8 a.m. hour as well. We'll get down to a low again of 72 degrees, and then as we look at the next several days, Tuesday mostly cloudy to overcast with a chance of scattered showers. And again, conditions for some about a 30% chance of showers tomorrow, and there's just a slight chance of some reduced ceilings as well below 500 feet. By Tuesday night, see that rain shower activity pretty much diminish, and then just a chance for some patchy fog Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, while mostly cloudy with a chance of patchy fog with a low of 73 degrees. And then on Wednesday, mostly sunny, warmer, and more humid with a high of 86 degrees. Looking at the next 7 days, again, fairly similar conditions for both Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the mid-80s. And then on Friday, a cold front will be approaching the region with the upper level ridge that will amplify and allow for the temperatures to really bump up into the upper 80s to around 90 degrees, and then before that cold front sweeps through. And then later in the evening on Friday, we'll have a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms that will continue into Saturday morning. And then the upper level energy that's associated with that frontal boundary looks to sweep through during the day on Saturday, so we can't rule out the chance of seeing an afternoon shower or thunderstorm as well for the day on Saturday. So keeping the scattered showers and thunderstorm icon for the full day. It won't be a washout, but shower and thunderstorms will be hit or miss as we go throughout the day on Saturday. We'll get up to a high of 87 degrees. That front really just washes out over the area, so we really don't see much of a cool shot behind it. Our temperatures on Sunday remaining in the mid-80s under mostly sunny skies. Well, that'll complete the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back in with the short-term outlook tomorrow morning at 8:15. Have a great day.